All rooms have a thermostat with 5 buttons. 3 of the buttons will allow you to adjust temperature settings in your room. The current room temperature will be displayed with the word room temp above it. The green LED under heat indicates that the maximum heat setting is 74 degrees. You can set heating to 74 degrees or anything below this temperature. The green LED under cool indicates that the minimum cool setting is 72 degrees. You can set cooling to 72 degrees or anything above this temperature. To determine whether your thermostat is heating or cooling, press the up arrow or down arrow once. To switch between heating and cooling, push an arrow button and quickly press the mode button. You can now toggle between heating and cooling. Set the temperature for either mode, cooling and heating, by using the up and down arrows. Remember that your thermostat is a delicate machine. Thermostat repair will cost you $150. Thermostat replacement will cost you $350.